Hello guys, today we are going to see a Power BI report using Dynamics 360 as a data source, and here I'm using column grouping of a matrix report, and the column grouping is using a date field that is created on. Let's switch to our Power BI desktop to see the report, and I'm going to take a matrix report here, and I want to add full name from contact, right? So these are the names from contact, and I want to see how many activities are created for each of the contact in which month, right? So for that, only I need a month and year, not the date. So for that, I have created a field in activity pointer that is called as a date group. I have already created that field. I'll show you that. Mm, so this is the field which I created, and I took the month part from the activity pointer created on, and the year part from the activity pointer created on, and I'm created another field here called as another column called date group. Okay, so this field I'm going to use as a columns, right? So only two date fields are available, 2 months are available where the data is there, right? And I need the values, right? So for that value, how many the count number of activities for each month, I need to see that. So for that, let me take created on from the activity pointer and put it over here and take it as a count distinct, right? So if you see the contact one having only one activity on this month, and the school contact having two activities on this month. So I think there is some garbage records here. So, and you see the total is here, right? And this is the way that you can column group a particular matrix report. And suppose if you need to there is one step you have to check before doing a column group. So you have to go to the relationship and make sure the relationship is already created for the tables which you are doing, right? Like suppose in my case, contact should be have point to activity pointer, right? So this is the relationship is present here. So without that, the the matrix report will not work perfectly. It has to be, first the relation has to be checked, and otherwise it has to be created, then we can do this kind of a report. Addition to that, suppose I'm going to add another field called city in this matrix report from the contact. We can do that, right? We can add that field here, and it will be added here, and once you drill down, you can see all the contact value for each of the city value for each of the contact, right? And thank you guys, this is all about a column grouping of matrix report.